Good evening, traders. I welcome you again to today's lecture. Uh, Today we'll be discussing about price action analysis, and our major focus will be on breakout and retest analysis. So, as a trader, you need to have uh, a strategy that you are using to trade on either MT5 or MT4. So, because the essence of we learning is that we should be profitable, is for us to be able to earn. So, if you don't have this basic knowledge about price action analysis, you will not be a very good trader, or let me say a profitable trader. So, there are many traders that focus on technical indicator strategy. Though I'm not saying technical indicator strategies are bad, they are still good, but you need the knowledge of price action analysis in order to be able to make use of indicator strategy accurately. So today I'll be explaining the basic things that you need to know about price action analysis. So what is price action analysis? Price action analysis deal with candle formation. So when you open your MT5, you see different candlesticks, you see the chart. So is the way of you making use of that uh, naked chart alone to analyze your trade and to place trade. So let's go straight to what is called market trade. There are three different types of market trend. We have the bullish trend, we have the bearish trend, we have the sideways market. So during the bullish trend market, the market is moving higher high and higher low. Are you get what I'm saying? Higher high and higher low. And during bearish market, the market is moving lower high and lower low. But during sideways market, it's equal highs and equal lows. But you need to take note of this. When you enter the market, the first thing you need to look out for is the trend of the market. You have to confirm the trend direction. Is the market in uptrend, or the market is in downtrend, or the market is in sideways or ranging market presently? So if the market is in an uptrend, an uptrend market, what you are looking out for in the market is to buy, opportunity to buy. So when you see an uptrend market at a higher time frame, so okay, in this market, what I'm going to do is to buy the market. Now you get what I'm saying? So when you now see a downward trend market, what you are looking at for is sell opportunity. Okay, at this downtrend market, this downward trend. So in this market, I'm looking for an opportunity to sell. But during sideways market, you wait patiently. It's either you buy or sell, because after a sideways market, it's either the market break out to an upward direction or sell direction. So if the market break out to buy direction, you buy, and if the market break out to sell direction, you sell. So take note of this. So another thing I want to show you here is support and resistance. When the market is moving in upward direction, it's evidence that buyers are in the market. So anytime that buyers are in the market, when they get to a resistance region, meaning that sellers are coming into the market, so there will be a pullback to a sell direction. So that's why we call it resistance. So for support, when sellers are in the market, maybe the market is moving in downward direction, it gets to a region where buyers will also try to enter the market. So the market will pull back to an upward direction. So that region is called support. And also, this support and resistance region are the region you need to pay attention to trade. I get what I'm saying. We call it key zones. So when price gets to resistance, what you are looking at for resistance zone is for the market to break out and form a retest above it. So look at this. When the market is moving in an upward direction, it forms something like this: up, down, up. So this region are resistance. I get what I'm saying. Wait. So The market move to the high direction, forming resistance. There's a pullback. Buyers are in control of the market, but seller enter the market. Then there's a pullback. So what you have to wait for before placing your trade is that the market must break out of this zone. I get what I'm saying? This is what we call breakout. And if it is moving in downward direction, I get what I'm saying now. You also wait for the market to break down. Look at this. Something like this should happen. The market is moving in downward direction. This supports. Market pull back small and then break out. So after breakout as on call, either in an upward direction or sell direction, the next thing you need to look out for is retest before you place your trade. So for example, many traders, maybe the market is moving in an upward direction. The market is moving in an upward direction like this. I get what I'm saying? They just go and buy like that. They will buy the market. So because they buy and they not wait patiently for retest to occur, the price will reverse and take them out of the market, then continue to move to an upward direction. I believe you understand that. So what you are looking out for as a trader is something like this. When you enter the market and you see that the market is presently in upward direction, uptrend, the next thing you are to do is to look out for opportunity to buy the market. So the market will be moving somehow like this. I get what I'm saying. And I told you earlier that there will always be breakout. So when there is breakout, you will wait patiently for a retest to occur. This is a retest. So at this zone now, this is resistance, but now coming here, I get what I'm saying, it is now support. So you have to wait and look for candlestick pattern to form here. So most of the candle that we use is pin bar, engulfing candle. I get what I'm saying. You look for it, or doji candle. So when that candle form here, you place your trade. So look at the second example. When you enter the market and the market is presently in downtrend, this is what you will look out for to place your trade. I get what I'm saying. Before now, this has been forming, right? So you are here presently. So when the market comes here, there's a pullback. Sellers are in control, but buyers try to enter the market there. So there's a small pullback, there's a small retracement. So this place is support. I get what I'm saying. But the sellers enter the market again and break out that zone. So when they break out that zone, what you are looking at for is a retest to appear. So it's not that maybe you just enter like that, maybe you just enter and sell. No, you wait for sell opportunity. You wait for a retest to be formed. So you wait for the price to pull back. So at this zone, you look for a bearish candle pattern to be formed. Then you place your trade. You set your stop loss under here and you take your TP. So that is that. Okay, let me show you some candle patterns that you can use while trading. We have bullish candle patterns, we have bearish candle patterns. Most time traders use candle, they use a morning star. No, I was showing you about these the other time. So this place, you'll be waiting for a candle pattern to form there before you place your trade. There's some candle patterns that we use in trading. Majorly, I will advise you that you should master these armor bar candle and morning star. Also engulfing candle. It's not a must you cram it. After a while, you'll be used to it as you continue to trade forex. For bearish, we have a shooting star. How you get what I'm saying? Evening star, engulfing candle during an uptrend like this is an uptrend, the market has breakout, you wait for any bullish candle pattern to be formed, either hammer, are you get what I'm saying, either hammer or morning star, are you get what I'm saying, like that, you allow it to be formed, then you place your trade. So for bearish too, you look out for a bearish candle pattern to be formed, either shooting star or evening star or doji candle. So these are the things that you look out for before you place your entry in the market. You have to ask yourself some questions. When you open your MT5 and you select any pair you want to trade, maybe euros, USD, are you getting me now? The first question you have to ask yourself is that what is the present trend of the market? So it's either the market is uptrend or downtrend, or the market is presently sideways. So if the market is in an uptrend, what are you going to do? I'm asking you. So if the market is in downtrend, what are you going to do? If the market is in sideways market, what are you going to do? And I said earlier that if the market is in an uptrend market, you are looking for opportunities to buy. If the market is in sideways market, you are not doing anything, you are just waiting for a breakout to happen. Are you get what I'm saying now? And then if the market is in downtrend market, you are looking for opportunity to sell. The second thing you need to ask yourself is that what is the present phase of this market? Is it in pushing phase or pullback phase? Then when you determine that maybe the market is in push phase or pullback phase, you will know that you will wait for a pullback to form before placing trade. You enter the trade at the beginning of push phase. Let me show you what I mean by push phase. Oh, okay, look at this. The market is moving an uptrend. This place is called push phase, and this place is called pullback. This one is called pullback, push phase, pullback. Are you getting me now? So when you are trading, you do not enter the trade at the middle of a push phase. You enter the market at the beginning of push phase. So you ask yourself, is the market presently in push phase or pullback? Okay, look at this. The bearish, okay, bearish. For the bearish trend, this push phase, this pullback, push phase, pullback, push phase. So you enter the market at the beginning of push phase. So let me go straight to MT5 and show you some example on MT5. Presently we are on the MT5. So let's see some example, and these will help you to understand everything I've been explaining earlier. Now, I said that when you want to place trade with the market, the first question you have to ask yourself is that what is the trend of the market? So after determining the trend of the market, you ask yourself that is the market presently in push phase or pullback phase? So if I ask you that what is the trend of this market, so looking at this, we know that the market is presently in what? Bearish trend, right? Bearish. So secondly, what trend is this? And what phase is this? We can see push phase and pullback. So we are waiting for something to happen, like a push phase, the beginning of a push phase. Then you place your sell. No, look at this very well. We can see that this is lower high, right? Lower high. Now the market breakouts here, this resistance we are dealing with breakout analysis, breakout and retest analysis. It break out, then come back to this zone. So at this zone, you'll be looking for a perfect entry to sell. So that you look out for what is called candle pattern. You look out for maybe shooting star, bearish engulfing candle at that zone. So look now, it comes here again. So you place your trade when the price come back to this region. I get what I'm saying. The beginning of a push phase. So you place your trade here. You can see another breakout. Then the market move. So if the market gets here, it can move like this, and it can also move like this. When it gets to this zone, it can move like this. So when it start moving like this, that is when you place for sell entry. But I believe that you can see clearly that what the market is just doing is breakout, retest, then you place your trade, breakout, retest, you place your trade, breakout, retest. So that is that. Now look at something now. After a while, now I say retest. If you place your trade here, you will still catch some little profit here. But after a while, it break out this zone. So because it break out this zone, what you'll be looking at for is a retest to appear. But instead of it to come like this and continue like this, we can see that the market come back here. For masterclass, there's what we call smart money concepts. Doing some smart money concepts, I will teach you another strategy that you can use to place entry. Like I'm saying, it's different from breakout and retest analysis. Breakout and retest analysis is just for beginners. I get what I'm saying. But smart money concept is for an advanced class. So, but you can still wait patiently. And wait for a breakout, another breakout. You can see that a breakout appear here. I get what I'm saying, and come back here to form a retest. Then what are you going to do? You are going to place your buy. You are going to place your buy. So let's look at this. So can you see now? This are a resistance. There's a breakout. So we are still waiting for this price to come to this line. Then we place entry for what? Buy. But we can see that the price do not come back to mitigate the zone, this resistance zone. But let's see what happens in the future. So we can see that the price later come back to that zone. You can see that the price later come back. These are come back to what? To this zone. Then you look for an entry. So when you are trading for uptrend or downtrend, that is what you'll be looking out for here. For the breakout, the retest, then you place your trade. It goes up. For you sell, if the market is moving in the sell direction like this, the breakout, the retest, you enter. The breakout, the retest, you enter. When you are making use of breakout and retest analysis, you need to know when the market also change direction. For example, maybe the market is in an uptrend, you know when it has moved to a sell direction, so for you to be able to place a perfect trade. And if the market is in sell direction, you need to know when it has turned to an uptrend too. So for example, you know that during an uptrend, the market is moving in an upward direction, higher high, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So you take note of the previous higher low. So when the price come and break out the previous higher low, It's not that maybe you place entry like that for sell. You will wait for a retest to appear, then comes there. So this is now lower high and this is lower low. I believe you understand that. Let me show you another example. If the market is moving in downtrend, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Okay, look at this. If I ask you, is the market in an uptrend? Is the market, is it now in uptrend direction? I know that many of you will say yes, but you cannot conclude like that until, no, this is previous lower high, until a retest is formed on this region, then the market's moving in an upward direction. Because this can happen, the market can go like this, because it did not form retest on this, it can continue to move in sell direction. So you have to take note of this. You need to know when the market change from uptrend to downtrend and when the market swings downtrend to uptrend. So if you have any question, you can send it to me. Goodbye.